Okay, so our goal today is put in a new driveway here, and then they also have a water problem along the edge here, which we think the driveway will solve a lot of that, but because of the tip, we're actually going to dig a trench in from here all the way out to here, daylight that, and then put some stone around that, and then put the limestone driveway up on top of that. So that way, if there is any water that comes this way, it'll drop down into that ditch and then run away from the house. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now we're using my John Deere 323 skid steer on tracks, and it has high-low flow, and that can be used with the Erskin Soil Conditioner. And when we go to hook up to the Erskin Soil Conditioner, this is 96 inches wide, so it's actually wider than the machine, so it really helps me grade the soil. And what's kind of nice about it is Erskin Soil Conditioner has a row of carbide teeth that actually they don't go straight across, they're actually spiral oriented. Makes it much easier for digging up the material, and you don't get this vibrating mode. Now what we're hooking up here is the two hydraulic lines, the male-female couplers, and we also use a 14-pin connector for grade control, so it allows me to adjust the rotational angle on the front of the machine. So it makes it really easy to help with controlling the grade, and in this particular case we're using that to take the hump out of the middle so we can hopefully get everything to pitch correctly. Alrighty, so there we have it. We're just wrapping up the last of packing down the limestone. The limestone is called Crusher Run Limestone. It actually has a fine dust in it, so when you wet it down and tamp it, it almost turns like concrete. So it plays pretty hard for the whole project. So here's some before and after shots. We widen the driveway, kind of change the pitch a little bit so the water is not going to run towards the garage. And because it comes off the road pretty heavy with water, we put that French drain in the front to kind of help us out. So if you like what you see, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next project.